Hi everyone. This video is an introduction to CarePaths Connect. CarePaths Connect is a behavioral health platform powered by the CarePaths EHR, and it's available to all clinical users of CarePaths. CarePaths Connect has two main features. First, it provides your practice with a digital front door to engage with your patients. Additionally, it allows you to enable automated measurement-based care for all the patients in your practice. This is the first of 3 videos about CarePaths Connect, which will cover setting up your digital front door. We'll be posting 2 additional videos, one going over the measurement-based care features, and one video to help you get a sense of what the experience of CarePaths Connect will be like for your patients. To get started, the admin of your practice needs to log in to the CarePaths EHR. Then under the admin menu, select CarePaths Connect. Here they'll find a link to activate CarePaths Connect, which will take them to this page. Simply sign in with the same credentials you would use for the CarePaths EHR. And you'll be taken to this page to start setting up your digital front door. Here you can add a profile picture that anyone using the app will see, an intro message for your practice. You can indicate whether or not you offer a sliding scale and set your intake session fee and regular session fee. You can also identify if there's any specific areas or issues that you treat, and if you're trained in any specific kinds of therapy, you can identify that here using this drop-down menu. Then you can enter your licenses and a closing message and hit continue. Here you'll enter the address of the office where you see patients. And then you can select whether or not to show your open appointments to patients using the app. To set up your appointments, we'll actually have to go back into the CarePaths EHR. So we'll show you that in just a second. But for now, just hit continue and then publish. And you'll be shown a QR code and be given a link that will take patients directly to your digital front door. So you can share this link on social media or your website. If you have a group practice, you can put each therapist's link under their listing on the website so that patients can go directly to that therapist's digital front door. So let's go to that link now. And you'll be able to see what your digital front door looks like to anybody using the app. So this is your digital front door, how it appears on the app. Your profile photo will go right here. Your open appointments will be listed as cards that people can swipe through. They also have the option to message you or enter their insurance information and see if their insurance is covered and what their copay will be. And then they can choose to reserve an appointment right here. Now let's go back to the EHR to go over a couple more details. So to manage the appointments that show up on the app, you can either go to My Schedule like you normally would, or follow this link here to update your calendar. Now, once CarePaths Connect is activated, whenever you create a new appointment, it's going to have this option down here to share the open appointment on CarePaths Connect. So if you want patients to be able to book appointments with you directly from the app, make sure you check both of these boxes whenever creating a new appointment. So whenever a patient books an appointment through the app, you'll get a message in the message center here saying that an appointment has been filled, or if it's a brand new patient, you'll get a new referral message. So open the message and follow the link. It'll take you to your list of incoming referrals, and just click on that patient. Which will take you to the referral where you're going to see all the information that the patient entered when they set up their account on the app. You'll also see the appointment they requested and the score of a PHQ-9 that they filled out as part of the setup process. So if you want to accept that appointment and the referral, you click Accept Referral at the bottom, and they'll be added to your patients. Once the practice admin activates CarePaths Connect for the practice, every individual practitioner with an NPI will see this link on their homepage to activate their own digital front door and to set up their profile. It's important to remember that the practice admin will also have to set who is going to receive all the referrals that come in through the app, which can be done through the admin settings under the messaging tab. Just use this drop-down menu to choose a user role within the practice, and then whoever is assigned that role will receive all the referrals that come in through the app in their message center. One last thing, it's important when setting up your digital front door to review your payers. So you can either go to Claims Payers or go back to the CarePaths Connect page and follow this link, Review Your Payers. And if you happen to have a payer on your list that you don't accept insurance from anymore, maybe you have on special occasions, but it's not a primary payer that you work with, we recommend going to this tab and selecting Hide Payer on CarePaths Connect app. That way they won't show up on your digital front door, and if a patient is searching for therapists by that specific insurance, you won't come up in that search. So that's all for this video. Thanks for taking the time to learn about how to set up CarePaths Connect for your practice and how to configure your digital front door to let patients better engage with you and your practice. In our next video, we'll be going over how to enable and use the automated measurement-based care features for new and existing patients. We'll see you then.